Hey guys, if you just clicked on this video, I'm sure that you're desperately looking to make money online, that too with Binomo and such kind of apps. And yeah, of course, who wouldn't like to make money online, that too in the situation of pandemic and lockdown. But I just want to share something more important to you before you get started. I assure that this video will be completely useful for you, so watch it till the end. We are the public. We are the consumers. Consumers means customers. Customers are people who have money to be spent, and that's the target to the businesses. We all know this process already, and this is how it works. And so what's the point now? If you watch YouTube regularly, you would have at least came across these ads once in a lifetime, right? About, do you want to know how I made this money? Do you want to know how I bought this house? Do you want to know how I drove this car away? I make money online in so and so apps. So that's what we are going to talk about in this video. Hey, there's a lot of such apps revolving around us in the social circle, and this app called Binomo is getting famous day by day, and everyone wants to download, put money, earn money instantly, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Well, hold on a minute guys. First of all, I have to say this. Binomo is a legal, legitimate business that is running an app which is allowing you to put money and play on it, and it's completely legal to do it, and our government is allowing the app to be used by the citizens to put their money and play on it. Yeah, our government is allowing it, so it's completely in your hands to deal with it now. Wait, I know your question. You can ask me that, is it the same government which banned TikTok and other apps and not this, and they let this go? Well, yes, please don't ask the question, so let me proceed. So this is the source and route for downloading Binomo. You watch some YouTube influencer talking about Binomo online, and they leave the link in the description, and you click on it, you get the Binomo app. Okay. What next? So now after downloading, you get an instant of 65,000 rupees. That is a demo account, so on which you will be trading and you will be trying all the lucks that you have, and sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, and after losing completely the demo account, you can again refresh it and you will get a fresh 65,000, and then you can start from scratch, and that's just tuning your psychology, I say. So after losing 10 times of 65,000, now you will get another 65,000, and then finally you made the 65,000 into what, 3 lakh rupees. So now with confidence and greed, you are ready to put your real money and become billionaires to buy this car and house, right? To start with, you have to deposit a minimum of 350 rupees, and that is a minimum amount. You cannot deposit 50 rupees, 70 rupees or 100 rupees to try with it. You have to deposit 350 rupees, which is a guaranteed revenue to the company. Now you have 350 rupees in your real account, and now you're ready to take a guess or trade or betting, whatever you call. You have to guess basically the chart is going up or down, and you have to place a minimum of 70 rupees trade, with which you lose all your risk management abilities. Okay. So what they call it trading is, there will be a graph running up and down, and you have to basically predict on which side will the graph be at the time of expiration. So if you click up, and if the graph is expiring above the place where you took an entry during the time of expiration of 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, you win, or else you lose. So what is the win-lose percentage? Or it will be 50-50. Okay, maybe if you flip a coin and you have a 50% chance of head and tail. Okay, after a 10 trades, you may win 5, you may lose 5. But if you lose, you lose 100% of your money, but if you win, you will win 80% of your capital. So this game is a combination of psychology and probability. So the way they promote it to you will make you feel like there is a 50-50 chance for you to win and lose. But let me decode it for you. You take a trade for 100 rupees and you win a trade, so you get 80 rupees now. So next time you take a trade for 100 rupees again, you lose it now, you lose 100 rupees. Now you are 20 rupees down. How is it even possible when you have a 50% chance of winning a trade and you are 20% down? Yes, the truth behind is, it's 60-40. It's not 50-50, it's 60-40. 60% chance of winning for the company, 40% chance of winning for you. So this automatically gives the companies a 20% edge over you, so that they have a high chance of winning for a sample of 10 trades. So let's take it a sample of 10 trades. You will win 80 into 5, which is 400, and you lose 100 into 5, which is 500. So you lose 500, win 400. In the end, you have the loss of 100 rupees, which is a profit for the company. So I don't personally call this as trading, because trading means there is a buyer, there is a seller. So here it's not between buyers and sellers, it's between the customers and the company, which is called as Binomo or any other app. I hope you understand, Now you can think, maybe I will deposit a 350 rupees and I'll play a couple of times. If I win 100 or 200 rupees, good for me, I will withdraw the profit and enjoy. Or if I lose also, it doesn't matter, I will withdraw the rest of the money that's available. And that's not even possible too, because Binomo doesn't allow you to withdraw money before achieving a certain turnover limits. That means maybe 350 rupees you deposited, so you need to make a turnover of at least of 3,500 rupees, which means a minimum of 10 trades with all the capital in. So that's when you will be eligible to withdraw. So this is a basic business idea of Binomo. You have no other choice than playing it multiple times. So if you even win half of the trades using 70 rupees out of a 40 trade, you will be winning 20 trades and losing 20 trades, and even now your balance will be just 10 rupees. Yes, if you win you will get 53 rupees, if you lose 70. Out of 40 trades you will lose 340 rupees and your balance is now 10 rupees, and yeah, now you are eligible to withdraw your money. So now it's left to you completely. It's your talent to beat the probability game and be one of the successful minority groups of people who are claiming to be successful in Binomo and buying cars and houses. I just thought I should provide this clarification for people who confuse this Binomo and kind of apps with share market trading and cryptocurrencies or forex trading, where this is called trading. The share market thing is called trading, which means there is a buyer and seller. You buy goods from a seller for 10 rupees and sell it for 12 rupees for another buyer, which is a trading where you make 2 rupees profit. But here it is purely a gambling, or it's purely a betting where you predict up and down motion of the chart, and if you're right you get 80%, if you lose 100%. So this Binomo kind of apps are following the formula of casinos, where they always have an edge over the players to make money to the company. I just want to conclude with, don't just blindly follow the influencers or the favorite persons of you, the celebrities, just because they say you this is right and this is the right way to do. You don't need to follow blindly. You have to do your own researches, you have to improve your knowledge in it, and then you have to test it. Don't just get influenced and put in all money and don't think you will easily become a millionaire. Just know this and you won't make a mistake. When people say money is free and you can easily make money, I completely say that those kind of statements are completely false. Well, unless you hear it from Mr. Beast. I'm just not going to say use it or don't use it. That will again be my personal opinion influencing you guys. I've just given you the true facts about Binomo, and now it is in your hands to make your financial decisions. Here's a pro tip. Maybe take a coin, flip it 10 times. If you win 7 out of 10, congrats, you're lucky. Maybe you can go for it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video informative and really added some value to your brain, so please considering liking the channel and share this video to people who are talking about Binomo to you again and again, and leave your thoughts about Binomo in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. That's the most important thing. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.